Hello everyone, I'm Asi Khairi and this is how to make Android mobile application, and welcome to episode 15 part 2 with Android camera. Okay, in this part we are going to use from Android camera, and we are going to make an application to open the Android camera and take a picture and show the picture in an image view. Okay, let's start. Create a new Android project, and here in main activity we need a button. Okay, this is the button that we are going to open the camera using this button. We need an image view in here to show the image view. Should be under the button 1. It should be under the button 1. True, and scale type should be center crop, and the ID plus ID and image view. Okay guys, now we have the image view and the button, and now in main activity we need to access those elements. And here button, take image, button, and image view. Okay guys, now in here image view is equal to image view, and now the button, take image button is equal to button. Okay guys, now in here we need to add the listener to the button. Take image button, but set on clock listener, new on clock listener. Okay, and here we need to open the camera. Okay guys, to open the camera in here we need an intent. We can open the camera using the intent class. Here is the intent is equal to new intent, and then here we use from Android provider media store action image capture. Okay guys, and now in here we need to run the intent. Start activity, for result, start activity for result, and now the intent. And the second parameter is the request code. Our request code will be 0. Okay, this line of code will open the camera and we can take a picture, and we need to show the image in image view. For that we need to override another method of the main class or the main activity. Here is the activity for result. Activity for result, override this method, and in here using the data, here is the data, this data dot get extras dot get, and the data, and we need to store it in a bitmap. Here is the bitmap class, bitmap image is equal to bitmap. We need to cast this in bitmap. Okay, now let's finish an image view dot set image bitmap, and here is the image. Okay guys, now let's finish and run the app. Oh sorry guys. Okay, in here in Android manifest file we need to use the from Android permission. Use permission Android dot permission dot camera. Here is the camera. Okay, now it's finished and run the app. Okay, take image. Here is my phone camera and we can take a picture. Okay, and now save the picture. Okay, and here is the image view. Okay guys, this is how to use from Android camera in our application. Thank you for watching and share the video.